The natural gas industry is focused on reducing methane emissions. Responsibly sourced gas, RSG, is conventional natural gas that's been certified by a third party to verify that the highest standards and practices were used to minimize greenhouse gas emissions and environmental impacts. To be certified as RSG, natural gas must pass through multiple technological processes to quantify and monitor emissions. Third-party verifiers include MIQ, a methane emission certification standard, EO100, Equitable Origin, which also certifies natural gas producers by assessing their methane emissions across their respective supply chains, and Trustwell, which provides similar certificates. Certifications help ensure customers that their gas is sourced with minimal environmental and societal impacts, which mitigates greenhouse gas emissions. Natural gas utility innovation, leading the way to a sustainable energy future.